Hi guys, I'm Sonika. In this video, I'm gonna take you to my recent trip to Jejuri. Jejuri is a small town located around 60 kilometers from Pune, and I went there for a 2-day trip. And in this video, I'm only gonna show you what I did on the second day of my trip. Video of day 1 can be watched up above or with the link down below. You can check it out, guys. Or else, let's get into the second day's video.
Our mentor for this tour was Pankaj sir, who is an amazing photographer. This trip was organized by DCP Expeditions.
Jejuri is famous for its Khandoba temple, which stands on top of a hill and resembles a fort. I went to Jejuri on the occasion of Somvati Amavasya, which is celebrated if a new moon day falls on a Monday. A huge palki of Khandoba and Maharsa's images and idols is carried from the temple all the way down to the Karha river, where the idols and images are washed. Now the timing of this procession was 2 a.m. and Sir asked us to be ready by 12:30 a.m. at the temple. This I felt would be very hectic, compromise on my sleep after a long day of travel. Plus there's a huge crowd at the temple which I really wanted to avoid. So I decided to skip the palki and directly catch it at the riverside in the morning at 6 a.m. But we could not witness the palki at the riverside. Maybe because we were a bit late and the palki came in before us, or maybe we were standing at the wrong side of the river. Whatever, now we decided to drive towards the temple.
Jai Malhar.
Just look at the crowd. Tasty breakfast at the temple. Just when we were about to leave, another palki arrived at the temple. Not the main one, but the crowd went berserk. I really loved the Khandoba temple. It is very beautiful and peaceful, a real visual treat. I clicked so many photographs and shot so many videos there. It has turmeric all over the place. This is really good, but not for my camera. My camera and my lens were all covered in turmeric. I tried to secure it with a plastic, but it was of little use. Powder was all over my lens and my camera. But you can always clean it. This cleaning kit was damn helpful for me. And out of this, I used this cloth, this blower, and this brush. Plus my hair, my hands, my face, my clothes, my handkerchief, everything was covered in turmeric. Yellow is the new black. But that is how we always learn, when we step out of our comfort zones and come to new places and do things that we never imagined that we could. So now was the time to check out of our hotel. After checking out, we had some lunch and proceeded towards Mayureshwar Temple and Mayureshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. These locations are only about 30 minutes away from the Jejuri temple. Now it's time for Mayureshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. It is home to so many trees, birds, deer, squirrels, and also hyenas, foxes, wolves. Though we didn't meet any, we only saw lots of deer. My images of the Chinkara are a little blurry, maybe because I'm not too used to the 300mm lens and my hand was super shaky. The sight was so nice to watch these cute little creatures galloping all over the place. They're so cute. The sanctuary closes at 6 p.m. and that is when we started heading towards Mumbai. I had a lot of fun on this trip and learned so many new things. Our mentor Pankaj sir was very helpful and cooperative. I've put his links down below, guys. He's a very good photographer. You will really love his Instagram page. And if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Share the love with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Please check out my day 1's video, which is down below or also here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.